Welcome, dear ones, to yet another video of our EVS class. So, I hope you have remembered what we have discussed in the last videos. It's all about water. So, children, water is very important for all of us. All the living things need water for their existence. So, we have discussed the uses of water in our daily life and we have discussed the source of water. In this video, we are going to see the ways to save water. Dear children, water is very precious, so that we have to save water. So, let's see the ways to save water. We can use the leftover water in containers and water bottles to water plants. So children, we can use the leftover water to water plants. While brushing your teeth or washing your face, do not keep the tap water running. So you have to turn off the tap while brushing or washing your face. Do not let water run while washing dishes or washing clothes. Then children, when you see a leak in taps, you can inform an adult or you can contact a plumber. The water which is used to wash vegetables or fruits can be used to water plants or to wash your car or your shoes, so that we can use water carefully. Water the plants in our garden using a mug or watering can. Have a look on this, children. These are some of the ways we can save water. Turn off tap while brushing teeth, while applying soap, and take shorter baths. Then after each and every use, turn off the tap. Then children, never put waste into the toilet. Then children, use leftover water to water the gardens. Then use mug to water plants. Try to water the garden early morning or late evening. Then children, place tub to save rainwater for watering our plants. In the kitchen, we must try to wash fruits or vegetables in a bowl of water. So, dear children, without water, we have no life. So, make every drop of water count and save every drop.